here the next problem is, it's a practical problem. Find the chi-square and mean square Karl Pearson's coefficients of contingency for the given data. So here it's a direct question. Here the aim is to calculate chi-square, mean square and Karl Pearson's coefficients of contingency. So let us write the formulas for that. Before going to that, so if you observe this, you are given not a 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means you will have only 4 frequencies. It's not a 2 by 2 table. You have a number of rows and columns. What are the number of rows here? Number of rows are, let it be R, which is equal to 1, 2, 3 rows you have. What are the number of columns? We have, let us write that with S, which is also 3 here. Now if you observe, you have 1, 2, 3 classes here, 1, 2, 3 classes here. So let us write this as A1, A2, A3. Let us write this as B1, B2, B3. So we are given with a 3 by 3 table. It's a 3 by 3 classification. So what are the formulas we have? Chi-square. What is the formula for contingency? As we discussed in the previous classes, Oij minus Eij whole square by Eij. This is chi-square coefficient of contingency, the first one. Mean square contingency is, we write with phi, which is nothing but chi-square by n. And Karl Pearson's coefficient we write with C, which is nothing but root over chi-square by chi-square plus n. So to calculate either mean square or Karl Pearson's, first you should calculate chi-square coefficient. By using that only we are going to find out those two. So let us first calculate chi-square. What is the formula for chi-square? Oij minus Eij whole square by Eij. So here O's are called observed frequencies. E's are called expected frequencies. We have two types of frequencies, O's and A's. So how many cells we have? We call this as 1 cell. This is 1 2. This is 1 3, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3. A cell is indicated by a corresponding row and column number. First row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, and so on. So before going to calculate chi-square, let us reorganize the given data in the given frequencies are called observed frequencies. Observed frequencies, which we write with OIJs. You need to calculate the expected frequencies, EIJs. Okay, you need to calculate the expected frequencies. Then you should calculate summation. Sum means you are going to get a column first, then you should add. You should calculate Oij minus Eij whole square. And the last column is nothing but Oij minus Eij whole square by Eij. The total of this column is going to give you chi-square. Again I repeat. First you calculate chi-square. Using chi-square you can calculate mean square coefficient and Karl Pearson's coefficient of contingency. For that, first identify whether it's the order of the table. It's we have 3 rows and 3 columns. We call this as a 3 by 3 classification, or it's a 3 by 3 classification. Then always the given frequencies or the given values are called the observed frequencies. Then using observed frequencies you should calculate expected frequencies. Then after these will be given to you, you need to calculate EIJs. After that, chi-square formula is Oij minus Eij whole square by Eij. Now let us write the corresponding frequencies here. So the formula for Eij is nothing but, the formula of Eij is nothing but Ai into Bj by n. So given frequencies means first cell 50. O11 is first one, which is nothing but 50. O12 second one, let us go row wise. O13 is 10. Next one O21 is 40. O22 is 160. O23 is 15. O31 is 10. O32 is 20. These are the data given to you. Now you should calculate EIJ. What are the formula for EIJ means? Formulas for EIJ is AI into BJ by N. You need to calculate here O1, E11 you should calculate. Its formula will be, take the corresponding row total, which is nothing but 130, into corresponding column total, which is nothing but 100 by N, which gives you approximately 32.5. You need to calculate E12, means here second row, means you should take the corresponding row total 130 into corresponding column total 250 by N is nothing but 400, which is again around 81.25. Third one is nothing but E13. E13 means here the corresponding row total and column total, means 130 into 50 by 400, which is nothing but 16.25. Next one is E21. So second row total 215 into the first row column total into 100 by 400. E22 is nothing but the corresponding row total 215 into 250 by 400. E23, which is nothing but 215 into 50 by 400. E31 means the third row total, which is nothing but 55 into first column total 100 by 400. E32, this stands for row and this stands for column. Third row total 55 into second column total 250 by 400. E33 is nothing but similarly 55 into 50 by 400. So I'll write down the values here, the simplified values for this. So you have O's are given to you, you have calculated E's. Then what is the next step? OIJ minus EIJ whole square means 50 minus 32.5 whole square. Next one 70 minus 81.25 whole square. 10 minus 16.25 whole square. 40 minus 53.75 whole square. So you fill this column 160 minus 134.75 whole square. 15 minus 26.87 whole square. 10 minus 13.75 whole square. And so on, 25 minus 6.875 whole square. You calculate all these values. I think you will get a value here 306.25. Write all these values. Then this column you should divide with corresponding EIJ, means 306.25 by 32.5, and this value divided by here, this value divided by this value divided by this. You divide all the respective with EIJs, you will get the values in this column, and write these values directly. 9 point here, second value is 1.5, 2.4, 3.5, 4.8, 5.2, 1.0, 6.01 and 47.7 on the whole, and add these values which represents the chi-square, which is nothing but 81 point. Means again I repeat, given observations are nothing but O's. You to calculate chi-square you need the value of E's. These are nothing but expected frequencies which are calculated as Eij is equal to Ai into Bj by n, means the corresponding row into corresponding column total by n. So in this, as just now I said, you calculate each column. After calculating each, you find out Oij minus Eij whole square, this minus this whole square, this minus this whole square, and find out all the values. Then what is the last column? Oij minus Eij whole square by Eij. This value divided by Eij. This value divided by Eij. And by adding the last column, it gives you chi-square, which is here is nothing but 81.81. Now you need to calculate mean square phi, which is nothing but chi-square by n, which is nothing but 81.81 by 400, which is around 0.2. And c is nothing but root over chi-square by chi-square plus n, which is nothing but 0.4119. Okay, thank you.